Hey everyone, there's been some questions about lesson 75. We'll agree to disagree that it is not in your book or in the reference manual. Sometimes you have to use your critical thinking skills. So in lesson 74, if you look right here, it does show you how to do it, okay? And it also tells you how to format. So you need to read. You are not just going to be able to start typing these. You have to read. That is what is part of being an online class. You chose to be an online, so now you have to do it yourself. If online doesn't work for you, withdraw, take it face-to-face next semester where you can have the personalized individual, raise the hand, ask the question. Okay? So, this tells you right here how to do it. Turn hyphenation on, press enter 5 times, center and type the title. Press enter 2 times, press enter 2 times and change selected. Type the article, single space, insert 1 blank line before. Select the body of the report and change to justified alignment. So if you just follow this along, you'll see, and this is what you see, okay? Where some of you may not be, you may not be able to get it by looking at it. There are written directions in there, okay? All right, and I have to go with the assumption you took OT 101, where some of this was covered. All right, so you go through 75, same thing, minutes of a meeting. So here you go, 7556 is when you're working on, is a magazine article. So I'll go to my 7556 right here, and as you can see, this is a section break. Right here. So I've typed my 5. I've centered my title, which should be 14. If it's not 14, make sure you get the 14 in there. Okay, it's got the 14. 1 space. My author, this is 12 font. All right. Then my section break, where I go for here, you see there's the enter mark. Where I go here is to the layout. I go to breaks. Right here, insert it and start the new section. So I would click insert right here. Right? Then I would go here after I click the insert, and you could just type it. I would just type it. Then after you get it all typed, just highlight it and click on columns. If we do 1, this is what you're going to get. If you do 2, this is what you're going to get. Now, if it doesn't end up where you want it to, let's say it ends up like this, all right? Just kind of play with it. So, okay, I look at this, and maybe my section break goes there, and I do continuous. Hey, look at that. That worked. Run spell check. I'm clicking on home. Where's my little spell check? There we go. It's telling me conciseness. All right. Personally, I would have changed this to later, but if that's how they have it in the book, leave it, or GDP will mark you wrong. Okay, I'm done here. Okay. Then I would do my read aloud. Well, where it's reading for me, okay? Start here. Read aloud.
We have all been giving performances since our very early years. The most terrifying part of each performance was probably the fear that we would freeze.
And I'm following along in the book as it's reading. Or in my case, I'm fortunate where they've given me an e-book.
We need to recognize that nervousness or fear may set in during our performance.
So I would follow along in my e-book.
If it does, we will be ready
Read here as it's reading to me. Okay.
Doing so may help those forgotten lines to pop back into your memory so that you put them at a later time. You always want to meet your audience with the idea that you have given them something worthwhile that they can use or apply to their own lives.
As it's reading to me, I'm checking to make sure, because this is a progress proofreading. Remember, it's to say, first time it needs to say started, and if you have a keystroking or you have formatting error, okay, you need to go and rekey it. All right, or you get one edit per start. So you read it. And it's going on and on and on and on. Go through it. Okay.
Well with people face to face, then those same qualities should be evident in your speech. A good piece of advice is to
And stop. Okay. So I get out of that. I'm looking at it. It looks good. So now I'm going to go save it as my document. I'll save as whatever it is. I go to my desktop. Remember, don't change this title, whatever it is. I don't know what it is. Don't change this title. Okay. Click save. Okay. Go back to the DDP program. Here. Okay. Upload a file. I think it was this one. I'm going to open it. So it's telling me I need to log in again. Okay. Safety feature there. Okay, so I'm gonna go log in. This one doesn't work. Okay. Please try load does not contain your. Okay, so something happened. Alright. Who knows? Maybe I named it incorrectly. I don't know what it could be. Let me see. Is this it here? I don't know. This is it. Anyway, you get the picture. Okay. These are very simple documents. If you had OT 101, fine. Another way you can do it is go into YouTube. Go into YouTube when you go here to the mail. Right, go into here, YouTube, more. So I have all these videos in here. And just search Sharon Wilson. Okay. Most of these will take you there, like lesson 74. You could go and Google dragging the split. This will tell you I've already created. You know, you could go in and look at all of them. Now search. So here's drag the split, lesson 73. I have, that's not mine. Wilson reading, that's not mine, that's not mine. Mine will have the coffee cup. This will be me. So you could go in and look at all the ones that I've done. For exam 1, that's a different class, so you wouldn't need that. Getting started. So you could do all of them. You could look at it, just Google. you know, like Sharon Wilson lesson. So they're there. You just have to use your critical thinking skills that is required in this class when taking on that. Okay?